Please erase me from your list, from your daybreak and your plan. Like a name the dawn has missed, like a mark drawn in the sand. Your words were water sweet as wine. They flowed like whispers through the dark. I drank them thinking they were mine, not knowing they'd leave such a mark. You raised me up to skies too high. You crowned me with your honeyed lines. But soon a wall replaced the sky, and love turned into warning signs. This wasn't what I dreamed would be, a stranger's cold and sleepless night. You gave me all except for me, then vanished with the light. And you didn't